Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the new exercise, that is the last exercise of chapter factorization, that is 11.5. It is based on division of polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, so in this what we have to do, first we will factorize and then we will further proceed with the division. This will really be easy, don't worry. 7p square q square is to be divided by 9r minus 27. This is to be divided with, this whole polynomial is to be divided with 63pq r minus 3. So always what we have to do, whenever there is given a polynomial, we will just try to find common out of it. For finding common out of it, here it is 9r minus 27. Can we get a common out of 9r minus 27? Yes, we can get 9 as common between 9r and 27. In numbers, if we see 9 and 27, 9 is common, so there is no r other, so r will be left the way it is. So here it is written 7 into p square into q into, we will take 9 as a common, we are left with r minus 3 upon 63 is there into p into q into r minus 3. This was the factors. First we will break the numerator and the denominator of the polynomial into their factors. If we see here now, this whole r minus 3 is in multiply with numerator and in denominator, so this whole r minus 3 and r minus 3 is cancelled. This whole number is cancelled, not r and 3 and 3, but as a whole it is cut it off. Okay, this q and q is cutted. 7 9s are 9 1s are 9 1s are. Here will p square and p. Out of 2p, 1p is cut off. We are left with only a p and nothing else. So here answer is p. This is our answer. So here our next question is question number second part, that says 33pq multiplied by p plus 3 and 2p minus 5 is to be divided with 11p into 2q minus 5. Okay, so means 33pq p plus 3 2q, this will be q minus 5 is to be divided by, that is, it is written in denominator 11p into 2q minus 5. So what will be its factors in numerator and denominator separately? In numerator it is written 33 is multiplied with p is multiplied with q. Is something common in p plus 3, this whole term? Nothing is common, so we can write it the way it is written. Is something common in 2q minus 5? No, nothing is common, so again we will write it the way it is written. Okay, so what are the factors of numerator? 33 into p into q into p plus 3 into 2q minus 5. Means this whole, this p, q and 33 are the factors. Whenever we have to cut off, we will cut off the factor as a whole, not a number out of it. Like we cannot cut 3 or 5 out of it. Whenever this will be cutted off, this will be cutted off as a whole, or this will cut it out as a whole, because this is a combined factor. P and 3 are not the factor. P plus 3 is a combined factor. P plus 3 is not a factor, but p and 3 is not a factor, but p plus 3 is a factor, so p plus 3 will be cut off altogether. Okay, so here it is 11 into p into 2q minus 5. Can something come out common out of it? No, nothing is common out of it, so it will be written the same way it is written. So as a whole, if we see 11 ones are 3s are. This P and P is cut off. It isn't divide, right? So 2P minus 5, 2Q minus 5 and 2Q minus 5 is cut off as a whole. Okay, as it is same, totally same, this whole factor will be cut off, not 2, not Q, not 5, but as a whole 2P, 2Q minus 5. Any other thing is common? No. So we are left with 3 and a Q and P plus 3. So this is our answer in this question. Our next question here is, we have to divide 2P square plus 17P plus 10 is divided by P plus 5. That is 3P square plus 17P plus 10 is to be divided by P plus 5. Okay. First we will check is something common in numerator or denominator. Is something common here? Out of all these three terms, no, nothing is common here. Out of denominator P plus 5, nothing is common here. If we check in numerator, then we will try to factorize like we have done in last exercise. We will try to factorize it. How we will factorize it? Here it is 3P square plus 17P plus 10. We have to factorize this. So what will we do? What will we do? Just we will get the product of last two here in numerator. In numerator, A equals to 3, B equals to 17 and C equals to 10. So first you will find AC. AC will be 3 into 10. That is 30. Now you have to find the factor of 30 to get 17. So it is plus 30. So plus and plus will be taken. So 30 into 1, it is 31. And we have to get B, that is 17. Multiplying AC and getting their factor as a sum of 17. So 30 into 1, it is 31. 2 into 15, it is 17. So we have got the factor 2 and 15. So we will start here. 2P square, 17 can be written as 2 plus 15, P plus 10 upon P plus 5. 3P square plus 2P plus 15P plus 10 upon P plus 5. Out of numerator, now if we will check whether it is there something common between first two terms. Yes, P is common. We are left with 3P plus 2. In last term, anything is common? Yes, 5 is common. Okay, taking 5 common, we are left with again 15 divided by 5, you will get 3. Taking 5 out of 15, so we will get 3. We are left with 3 and a P. Taken 5 out of 10, we are left with 2 upon P plus 5. Look class, whenever you are factorizing, if you are not getting these two terms same, that is you might be committing a mistake. Until you get these two terms exactly the same with the signs, positive or negative, so then only you can say that yes, you are doing the question correctly. So here these two terms are exactly the same. So what we will do, we will take 3P plus 2 as common. What you are left here? In this term you are left with only P, plus in this term you are left with only 5. Okay. So P plus 5 as a whole is cut off. We are left with 3P plus 2. Okay, this as a whole you are left. So our answer in this question is 3P plus 2. So next question here is we have to divide 12PQR is multiplied with 6p square minus 13pq plus 6q square divided by 6pq upon is multiplied with 2p minus 3q. Okay, so our question says 12pqr 6p square minus 13pq plus 6q square is to be divided by 6pq 2p minus 3q. Okay, we have to divide these. What will we do? First we have to always find the factors. Yeah, so here in the numerator it is written as 12pqr 6 is multiplied with this whole term. We will try to find out the factors out of it. First what we will do, we will try to find out common. Is there is something common between these terms as a whole? 6p square minus 13pq plus 6q square. Is there something common? There is nothing common out of 6p square minus 13pq plus q square. Okay, so what will we do? We'll factorize it by that factor method. Here our a is 6, b is minus 13 and c is 6. So AC here is 6 into 6, that is plus 36. Finding a factor of a plus number, we have to take either plus plus or minus minus. So here the answer is, we have to find it by minus 13. We have to find the factors in such a way such that we get minus 13. For getting minus 13, we will take minus minus. Okay, what will be the factors of 36? Factors of 36 will be 36 into 1. Okay, 2 into 36 plus, minus 36 minus 1 will be minus 37. This is not the thing we have to get. Minus 2 into minus 15. It is adding it, we will get minus 17. Not again. 3 into 12. Minus 3 minus 12 we will get minus 15. Not again. 4 into 9. Minus 4 into minus 9. Minus 4 into 9 is 36. Minus 4 minus 9. It is minus 13. Yes, we have to get minus 13. We will write 4 and 9 in place of 13. Okay, 4 and 9 in place of 13. So what will we do? 12 PQR 6p square minus 13, in place of 13 we have to write 4 plus 9 PQ plus 6q square. In denominator it is written 6pq is multiplied with 2p minus 3q. Okay, 12pqr 6p square, we will open up the bracket inside, minus 4pq minus 9pq plus 6q square. Now we will try to find the factors in the numerator, this bracket part. In first two terms, can you get the factors? 6 and 4, yes, 2 is common, p square and pq, p is common. So 2p is common in first two terms. 12 pqr. So taking 2 and a p common, you are left with 3 p. Taking p common out of this, you are left with q, and taking 2 out of 4, you will get 2. So 2q. Okay. Again, moving further, out of the last two terms, between 9 and 6, if we see minus, we can take 3 as common. We will take minus 3 common, and p, out of p and q, you can take q common. PQ and q square. Q is common, so we are left with here. Taking 3 common out of 9, you are left with 3. Taking q common, you are left with p. Again taking minus 3 common, taking minus sign out of plus 3, you will left, sign will get changed. Taking 3 common out of 6, you are left with 2. Taking a single q out of 2q, you are left with single q here. Six pq. Okay, so I said in the last question, if these two terms are same, then only we will proceed. Yes, these two terms are same, exactly 3p minus 2q, 3p minus 2q, they are exactly the same, so we will proceed with the question here. 12 pqr, and here the factor is taking 3p minus 2q common out of these two terms. We are left here with 2p and a minus 3q in the second term. In denominator it is 6pq, 2p minus 3q. So what are the factors in the numerator? 12 into p into q into r into 3p minus 2q into 2p minus 3q. These two terms are the whole factors. Never this 3 or this 3 is cut off. This will never be done. This whole term will be cut off whenever it is we are trying to cut it. This whole term. If this whole term is common in numerator and denominator, then only we will cut off. So taking 6 ones are 6 twos are. Out of p, p, q, q. This 2p minus 3q, this 2p minus 3q is cut off. What are we left with here? 2 and a r and 3p minus 2q. So this is our answer in this question.